Hello everybody, welcome. In this occasion we are going to begin with the second unit of this course and we are going to talk about nanostructures. In this part we are going to make a little introduction about the contents of the lesson. So what we are going to study is focused in one objective, okay? The objectives of this lesson would be that the student would be able to know which is the nanostructures classification, which are the main nanostructures used in the textile field, and finally we are going to introduce properties of nanostructures which are introduced to textiles because of the application of that kind of nanoparticles or nanoproducts. Well, the lesson is divided into, or the unit is divided into 3 lessons. The first lesson is going to talk about 1D nanostructures, it means one-dimension nanostructures, and we will introduce the classification because nanostructures would be divided into 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, and 3 dimensions, which are nanometric. Okay, so the first lessons would be focused on 1 dimension nanometric or nanostructures with 1 nanometric dimension. The second lesson would be nanostructures with 2 dimensions in nanometers, and the third lesson would be the one for nanostructures in 3 dimensions. Well, with this we are going to introduce each lesson, and we would find that all the lessons have the same contents. First of all, which is the definition of 1 dimension nanostructures, and later on we would speak about 1 dimension nanostructures which are applied or are capable to be applied on textiles, and finally we will study the properties which are conferred to the textiles because of the application of those nanostructures. The second lesson has the same structure but focused on 2 dimensions nanostructures, okay? And the same for the third one. In this occasion, what we are going to do is to define 3 dimension nanostructures, to describe which kind of nanostructures in 3 dimensions are suitable or are used for textiles, and finally we would speak about the properties which are conferred to the textiles due to the application of nanostructures. Okay, this is all for this introduction, and I wait for you in the next videos where we will depend on the contents of the lesson. Thank you very much for your attention.